Welcome back. This is Jeevan from Code Android. Today we shall see how to make user to log in once to your application. That is, the user need not to log in every time when the application is opened. So we shall see how to make that. Okay, within the onCreate method, that is after initializing the mauth, just place this code, that is giving the condition that if mauth dot get current user not equal to null, then you just need to redirect into directly to the home activity, that is to start activity, new intent, get application context. Here we are directly redirecting the user to the home activity without making him to log in again. So we shall check that now, whether it asks for the login or it directly goes to the home activity. We can say that we have directly logging into home activity, that we are directly landing into the home activity. That is because of just that if condition, whether the user has authenticated with that mobile or they registered once with that application or not. Hence we can directly make the user to land in the your home activity. Now we shall see how to manually add the user or delete the user in the Firebase. That is, through the app we had already registered two accounts, that is ab@gmail.com and jeevan325@gmail.com. Now if you want to add another user, let us take an example. Click on add user and give some random name like sanjay@gmail.com and give the password as 123456. Then just click on add user, so that now you can log into your application through this email ID. If you want to delete that user, then you need to just click on here and press on delete account, so that it will be permanently deleted from your application. This cases helps when the users are doing some nonsense in your app. You can delete them directly manually here in the Firebase. And this finishes our part. And in this part we have learned that how to make user to log in once to your app and how to manually delete the users in the Firebase, and also to how to add the users in the Firebase authentication. Okay, thank you. This is Jeevan from Code Android.